We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious.
Goblins from Mars, Ryan Oaks. We glowed up, we glowed up, we glowed up. Oh man, look this guy, we all done glowed up. Pulled up, tell 'em pull the curtain, roll 2, no 3, got a 5th of bourbon, got 4 bitches that shepherd German, that I want the brain from, I need to learn, and they told us all that we'd end up broke. We sucked it up and we did the most, now we taking over, we want the globe, so it's to the west to go take the coast. Everyone got shit to say, I tell them grow up. When they try to bring us down, we only go up. We tell them that we in they city, everybody shows up. Oh man, boy, we all done glowed up. We all done glowed up. Boy, we all done glowed up. I hit the whip and I get to swerving. Spit legit, man, I'm sick for certain. I'll fix the shit that y'all.
19, skin color Dairy Queen. White pill, gin and tonic with some grenadine. Eyes open like they never seen a dance floor. Pumping like they shot it full of creatine, baby. Them biddies all trying to shake gas till they break glass. $20 food in no class, they getting bad. Sweating trying to get a glass of water, cause they acting like they motherfucking Billy Ray daughter. Flat ass twerk team 2014, baby. I ain't seen nothing up in your jeans. Get the fuck out.
Just got a fat ass like it's magic. And now you're trying to shake it like ratchet. I'm guessing that must call you go gadget. Oh, all of a sudden you a bad bitch. Just got a fat ass like it's magic. And now you're trying to shake it like ratchet. I'm guessing that must call you go gadget. Woo!